South Korea's general election received much attention from the global media. Many outlets reported on the strict social distancing measures the government has put in place, while some gave an analysis of the results. Kim Jae-hee zooms in on their views.
Over 2 million coronavirus cases have been reported around the world, but that couldn't stop South Korea's general election. Being held in the middle of an unprecedented health crisis, the nation's April 15th general election was in the spotlight of many foreign media outlets. Soon after the election, a Washington Post opinion piece said that South Koreans have shown the world how to hold an election and protect public health at the same time. The New York Times said that South Koreans proved eager to vote despite the pandemic, and AP also noted the high voter turnout. The BBC gave a detailed report on how strict safety and social distancing measures were in place for the vote, and analyzed that the ruling party's decisive victory was thanks to voters backing the government's response to the coronavirus outbreak. Bloomberg also focused on the precautions South Korea took to keep voters safe. And the overseas edition of China's People's Daily said the South Korean public had leaned toward the ruling party in a positive response to the government's handling of the epidemic. Meanwhile, U.S. Ambassador to South Korea Harry Harris congratulated South Korea on the elections, saying that the record-high voter turnout despite the virus outbreak shows the country's dedication to democratic ideals. U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo made similar remarks, congratulating South Korea for holding a successful general election despite the ongoing virus outbreak. Pompeo praised the country's dedication to democratic values in the face of the global pandemic and said the country is a model for others around the world. Kim Jae-hee, Arirang News.